Action.
Okay, so could you please state your name for the camera, please?
Dana Bridgman Wilson.
And first, could you give us a little background on where you work and a little bit of about the health issues that you're currently dealing with?
Yes, I work part-time at Blythe Gallery in Belmont. It's my mom's store, and by part-time I work like 8 hours a week, maybe 10, and I sell merchandise out there. And I have relapsing remitting multiple sclerosis since 1996 when I was 22, and I'm 40 now.
Okay. So describe some of the factors that hinder you or your ability to afford health care.
Well, I don't make enough money salary-wise, and since our state didn't expand Medicaid, I have insurance for the first time. I've been uninsured for many years, and actually the only people who would insure me were Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Carolina, and it would have been $1,200 to $1,500 monthly, which I obviously can't afford. And I qualify for the Medicaid expansion subsidies if our state would accept them. And so I'm blessed because I have help from my family to make my monthly payments, but I shouldn't have to ask them for help. I should be able to be self-reliant, and I could be if they would accept the Medicaid expansion.
So not only is this a stressful time for you, but it's also a stressful time for the family.
Yeah.
For the fact that they, have to currently assist you on being able to help to afford your health care things.
Exactly.
Okay, so what are some of the negative implications of not having Medicaid expansion?
Well, for me, just that I have to ask for help every month, but I think that most of the citizens don't necessarily have family to fall back on, and I want their voices to be heard too. I want it for myself, but I want it for all the people who don't have anybody to help them, and just get what's earmarked for us from the federal government.
Okay. And lastly, what would you like to say to the governor and the General Assembly about accepting Medicaid expansion?
Please accept the Medicaid expansion for the citizens of North Carolina. It's horribly cruel not to, and I'm afraid many people are going to be left behind and left out completely, and then the rest of us who aren't left behind will be able to afford it if they'll accept the money that's ours.